Hello and welcome. I'm glad that you can join me. Today we'll be discussing one of my all-time favorite strategies for evaluating my own drafts, and that's the color coding strategy. You can use the strategy with any genre, whether it's narratives, informational, compare-contrast, argumentative, it works for them all. All you really need are some highlighters. You could print out your document and use 3 or 4 different colored highlighters depending on the elements you're looking at, or you could just use the highlighting functions in your word processor. So let's take a look at how to color code to evaluate your writing. One of my favorite things about the color coding strategy is its remarkable flexibility. You can use this strategy for any genre, any type of assignment you might have. The key is to use a different colored highlighter for each element of that assignment. It will make a lot more sense if we use a concrete example, so I'm going to use the argumentative genre. That's because most of the writing you'll do at the college or university level will involve argumentative writing, where you're trying to provide an argument and support your case. Let's take a look. The first step is to highlight your claims and assertions, or the points you're trying to make, in one color. Let's say pink. After you've highlighted all the points that you're trying to prove, you'll take a second color, and what you'll do is you'll highlight specific evidence. Let's say we'll use yellow for this. What constitutes the evidence? This is the research that you're presenting. These are the facts you're using to support your claims. After you've highlighted all the evidence in your paper, you'll go back and you'll highlight your analysis of the evidence. These are the sentences that follow the research you've presented, and you explain why it's important, why it's relevant. So you'll highlight your paper and you'll look back at it and you'll see that you've got all your claims highlighted in pink, your evidence in yellow, and your analyses in blue. Now you're ready to look back and say, which assertions or claims are central to your overall argument? You look at all the points you've highlighted in pink and see, do they all contribute? Does this point contribute to my main argument? The second thing you'll ask yourself is, do you have evidence for each claim? You'll want to make sure that every pink highlighted section is followed by the yellow, your evidence. And finally, you're going to want to see, do you have as much analysis as there is evidence? Typically, you'll want to provide twice as much analysis as the evidence itself. So all you have to do is stand back, look at your paper, and with the color coding, you'll be able to see whether or not you've provided rich use of evidence to support your claims and arguments, and did you think critically and analyze them. So good luck with the color coding strategy. It's a fantastic strategy, and happy writing.